Hey guys, today we're looking at the HP Pavilion all-in-one, and we're just going to show you pretty much how to tear it down, how to open it, and how to access everything from the motherboard to the hard drive. Yep, the most intimidating thing about all-in-ones anyway is usually where do you start, how do you open it, and you don't want to break anything, you want to be very careful. Alright, so let's get into it. Alright, so you always want to start with the back. Alright, we're in the back now. So always try to look for an opening. So you see that little dot right there? Alright, so right here and right here, you just want to take that off. You can use tweezers. It's going to expose a screw right there, so we can use tweezers. Doesn't really matter which ones. Just something, because there's a little handle there. You just grab it out like that. Put it to the side, like that. So you want to grab a flathead for this part. After you expose the screw, you want to get under there. You hear that pop? You turn it a little bit and you get a little bit of a pop. That just lifts it so the plastic comes up a little bit. You want to do the same thing here. You don't turn it all of the way. Okay, you hear that? That sounds good. I don't quite like that, but now the stand, you want to push it all the way down, just to reveal this right here. You can see it. There's a little rivet there, and we want to make sure we pop that. There we go. Just use the same thing. Pop that. Just a piece of plastic comes off. See right here, there's 4 screws. Just get a Phillips head and do it. Okay, once you take the screws off, just shimmy it a little bit just to go down so it'll come off. Okay, there you go. Put that to the side. Okay, so once you get that stand off, now you're ready to pop it up completely. Okay, always check for cables, and there is one actually in this corner. You can just lay it up like this. You can disconnect it here too, which would probably be the best thing. This is just for the CD-ROM. You can route it right here. So that comes off like that. Put this to the side. Okay, so now we have the motherboards right here, the hard drive's right here. As far as the hard drive removes, you can just get some Phillips head screwdrivers, go around. There's one here. Let's see, so you can go here. So you don't have to remove this one. Oops. Okay, so that one. Okay, so we just take that up here. All you have to do then is, it says 1 and 2, so you can go, here's the 1 and then here's 2. So you just remove the screw, then you just pull it down like this. Right there, and now we have the hard drive, and of course you have the casing around it, and this is a desktop hard drive. So if you wanted to replace this with a solid state drive, you can get a bracket that fits this same type of size, because this is a desktop size. you can get a bracket that fits more of a laptop size, that it'll convert this so you can put this whole entire piece on. We do have a video that goes into that. It's a Lenovo all-in-one that we can show you as well, and it is up on our channel if you want to check it out. So besides that, yep, that's the hard drive. Here's the fan here. Now if you need to access under here, which is the motherboard, this whole piece right here, and you can see there's little arrows, they point. They kind of where all the screws are that you need to remove for the motherboard. Okay, once you get all those screws up, it just comes up and just pull out like that. And here's the motherboard right here. Alright. So that's pretty much a teardown. Of course, if you want to take out the motherboard, there's screws here, here. You can check out the arrows. Then that just comes up. Of course, just be really careful when you're doing anything. Okay, so this is a teardown of the HP all-in-one. We showed you pretty much how to do a hard drive if you want to, how to pop the back, and of course we want to show you the motherboard just to kind of get a layout of kind of what's going on. But besides that, it does look like you can upgrade the RAM as well, which is great. But besides that, that kind of does it for us. Of course, be careful, and remember to plug this cable back in, and all the other cables if you ever take out any of them here, especially the SATA ones. But if you're just replacing a hard drive, you don't need to worry about really any cables removal. You just need to take out the hard drive, put a bracket on, you should be good to go. There's removable RAM right here, so if you want to upgrade, if you have like 8 gigs, you want to go to 16 or 32, you can do that as well. Just check, of course, with the motherboard number here to see how much you can upgrade. But yeah, besides that, it's all there is. And yeah, thanks for watching the HP all-in-one teardown. All right, you guys have a good one.